Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for some practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This whole month, we're teaching you a phrase. In Mandarin, is 辛苦了. In Hakka,
辛苦嘞，
辛苦嘞 which literally means hard work. OK, 辛苦了其实是就是做事很煎熬，所以才会说辛苦了。但是常常在感谢 when we thank someone, we kind of add that phrase in, and it just means good job. You know, thank you so much. 辛苦嘞。
对，
那今天呢，我们来一个温馨版的，好了。
好，我想到了，像我们当老婆煮饭是很辛苦的。
对啦，其实是没错。I agree. Let's put you in a situation where maybe you're a husband and you're going home to your family and having dinner, and you know the wife has prepared a nice, delicious meal for the whole family, and you should thank her. Okay? 所以呢，我们第一句就是老婆应该会说：“哎，饭煮好了。All right, the meal is ready.
饭煮好了。
饭煮好了。饭就是 meal 饭嘛，哦，煮好了。All right, and it looks delicious, right? 所以当然要说看起来好好吃哦。然后老婆辛苦了。It looks so delicious. Thank you so much, wife.
看起来懂好吃。
看起来懂好吃。Okay, that means it looks so delicious, and then
不用辛苦嘞。
哦，不用是老婆是不是？
对。
哦，好 sweet 哦，不用 that means wife. Good job, thank you, 辛苦嘞。
辛苦嘞。
Okay, and it's time for the kids to come out and have the meal too, right? 要把孩子们也叫出来一起吃饭了吗？是不是？所以孩子们准备吃饭。
say 哦哎，准备吃饭。
say 哦哎，就是 say 喊的哈。
对，就是小
朋友们。
孩子们
OK， 结果走出来都18岁、25岁。
那也是小孩子啊。
也是孩子们了，对。That means kids come out for the meal， 准备吃饭了。
准备吃饭。
准备吃饭。
那海陆腔的吃饭吃饭。
吃饭哦，这以前好像有教过嘛。A different dialect for let's have a meal。吃饭 again that's let's eat in a different dialect。日文就いただきます一样的那种道理那种感觉了哈。All right, let's review some of these terms right here, such as 很好吃。
懂好吃。
懂好吃 that means delicious. It looks good. And then the wife 老婆。
不用。
不用。And then finally 吃饭 let's eat。
吃饭。
吃饭，肚子饿了耶，赶快煮给我吃。
那你要说我辛苦了。
好，辛苦嘞，对不对？
对。
That's how you say good job and thank you for the hard work. 辛苦嘞。That does it for today's practical Hakka.
什么太
汉子say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.